The Ram 1500 lineup for 2027 includes the high-performance Supercharged Ram 1500 SRT TRX, standard internal combustion engine versions, and the all-electric Ram 1500 REV. Ram CEO Tim Kuniskis claims the truck's Hemi V8 is more than just a retuned version of the previous 6.2-liter. Instead, it's a new variation with updated engine management and hardware from the company's orange and red engine blocks, as well as direct connection, which provides factory-backed performance parts from Mopar. The new TRX gains 75 horsepower and 30 pound-feet of torque, thanks to a 2.4-liter supercharger, totaling 777 and 680, respectively. An improved 8-speed automatic transmission distributes power to all 4 wheels. Ram claims the SRT badge TRX will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, which is a full second faster than the previous truck's estimation. When we tested a 2021 TRX with 702 horsepower, it reached 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, so its successor should be much faster. Its top speed remains at 118 miles per hour. The TRX retains 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler territory, all-terrain tires, and a reinforced chassis. The long-travel suspension uses the most recent version of Ram's adaptive Bilstein Blackhawk E2 dampers, while the solid rear axle is controlled by a 5-link coil spring configuration. As before, the truck's off-road tires can be secured with 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels. Ground clearance is back to 11.8 inches, and the truck's approach, breakover, and departure angles are marginally better than before. The new TRX's interior is quite luxurious, with a leather-wrapped steering wheel cover and a full micro-suede headliner. The dashboard and other surfaces are leather-wrapped, and the carbon fiber you see is genuine. Along with a head-up display, the driver now has a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. The new 14.5-inch touchscreen, which runs Uconnect 5 software, controls the standard Harman Kardon stereo with 19 speakers. For the first time, the TRX offers a hands-free driving option on suitable highways. The 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX will be arriving at dealerships in the second half of this year. With a starting price of $102,590, it will most certainly cost $10,000 less than the Ford F-150 Raptor R, which is presently priced at $113,525. However, Ram has yet to reveal pricing for the TRX Bloodshot Night Edition, which we believe could close the gap on the R-rated Raptor.